This is a demo of the tiled text engine that I've been working on, which is a framework for writing text editors in a new style that's better suited for mobile computing and just other situations where you don't have or can't use mouse and keyboard for whatever reason. So for this demo, I'm going to be controlling the editor with an Xbox 360 controller, and this is the guide application, which was built on top of the tiled text engine. It stands for Gestural IDE, and we're going to be using it to look at a Java source file. And I'm going to first show you navigation. Principle of navigation is that you cycle through units, like I'm cycling through these classes here, which are the top level unit, or I'm switching between which units are cycled through, which is what I just did there. And now I'm cycling through new units. These are class members, instance variables, and methods. And I can go in further here and cycle between lines, between tokens, or between characters is the bottom. And go to a longer method real quick. So to show you this cycling behavior a little more clearly, I'm going to grab some characters, and I'm going to stay at the character level and cycle through the characters. And if I pop up a level, I'm cycling through tokens. Another level up, lines. And then class members and classes. And I'm going to drop this somewhere real quick. Okay. The next thing I can show you is some quick edits with some additional debug information. So on the right, we now have a subset of the abstract syntax tree for the document, and the light gray or highlighted cell is going to be the direct parent of whichever cell is currently selected. And what I'm going to do while showing you the Xbox 360 controller is first delete these, and then I'm going to grab the method bodies from every method in this class and stick them all in this empty update method here. And the screen is going to be tilted, which is going to make it a little awkward for me, but should still be pretty efficient. Balance out a little bit the fact that I've had so much practice with this editor. All right. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to disable the debug stuff and show you some character level edits. Alright, so let's say I want to grab the word new from this identifier and stick it into an identifier on the next line. And let's say I missed the spot. I'm going to re-grab it and stick it on this word boundary, and there it is. Do it once more real quick with modifier, just to show the kind of precision and speed. I still make a lot of mistakes, but here's grabbing a line and moving it, deleting some things, character level deletion. And then the last thing I want to show you is some of the UI capabilities of the tiled text engine. Guide doesn't make too much use of them at the moment, but there's one instance here which is for displaying parse errors. And this control has a lot of overlap with the main editors, and it's not really the most appropriate one for displaying errors, but see, I can perform these same kind of operations, moving tiles around and stuff. And then Oh yeah, I didn't point out that the animation is much worse here because of the screen capture software I'm using, which is killing the frame rate. Now I'm going to show you another app that was built on top of the tiled text engine real quick. This is a remake of the classic Dope Wars game, which was text-based in the original, but it was built on the tiled text engine, and I'm just well, I built it to try out some of the UI capabilities of tiled text engine, and that's also why I'm showing it to you. So the way that the tiled text engine handles these windows, these are actually separate programs running inside of it which can pass information between one another, and yeah, you can build up some pretty interesting applications this way. For instance, you can imagine that the guide text editor, which I was just showing you, would just be embedded in one little section on the screen here, and there might be other more standard IDE kinds of controls in the other areas. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.